Greetings everyone. I'm John Paul A. Romeo, and I will explain the splash frame, which is naglagay kami dito ng image icon and J-label, which is makikita nyo yan dito. After na, naglagay rin kami ng progress bar. Kasi after ng mapuno ng progress bar, which is susunod na yung first frame. Greetings everyone, my name is Gamer Armada. I'm the one spraying first frame. And this first frame, if you run this code, you will see the splash. And if you will see the frame, welcome to Major Learn Library. Then when you click account, you will see the login. And when you click login admin, you will see the username, password that you can put user and password. Then when you just run again in account login, do the same thing to the login admin. You will see the username and password, and that's it. Thank you.
The login system and paano po ito nagpa-function. First, pupunta po kayo sa menu bar and meron po dyan J menu, login admin and login student. Click nyo po yung login student. Lalabas po yung interface ng student login, which is pwede po kayo mag-type sa JText field na username nyo and password. Ang sinet po namin username and password is student, parehas pong student. Password po. At gamit po ang J button, pwede po kayong mag-show password or hide password. Tulad po nito. And meron din pong J button na login, which is pag pinlik nyo po, mapupunta na po kayo. Pag pinlik nyo po pala, lalabas po muna yung J option pane na magsasabing login successful. And pag in-okay nyo po yan, mapupunta po kayo sa interface ng login.
Local greetings, I'm Kenneth Abanasido, and I will be explaining this part of our code, which is the login admin frame method. So first, it will get the entered username and password. So ang sinet po pala namin dito na username is admin, and for the password is also admin. Then if the username and password is matches the expected credentials, it will show the J option pane na login successful. Then it will set visible to true the admin frame, or else pag mali naman po yung password na in-input ni user, it will show na a J option pane which is invalid username or password. And next is the show password. Pag pinindot naman po natin tong show is magiging visible yung password. And pag pinindot natin tong hide, magiging asterisk yung password.
Greetings, my name is Hans Jacob Lagman, and I will be explaining the admin mainframe part of our code. So when we go to the code, after going to the login admin frame and inputting the necessary username and password, you will be able to successfully log in, and then you will be able to see the admin mainframe. In the admin mainframe, you will be able to see the account, to be able to log out and exit, as well as the search, add, borrow, and return book menu items. So for the menu member, we will be able to see the search member, add member, as well as the members list. So below that, we will be able to see a tab pane for the books, members, and transactions. In the books tab pane, we will be able to see the search text box, the search button, as well as the search display. Below that is the available books table, as well as the unavailable books table with their corresponding borrow button or the return button. In the available books, there is already 4 available books available to be able to borrow. display has the genre of adventure, fantasy, horror, or romance. So in the members tab pane, we will be able to see the search search text box, search button, and as well as the search display for the members, as well as the table below for the members list with their corresponding name, last name, first name, ID, and contact number. For the transactions, we will be able to see the title, author, genre, ISBN, and ID of the books corresponding to the available books once the user has added a book. So for now, I will introduce to you the pop-up button. In the tab pane, when you right-click, we will be able to see another pop-up menu with the corresponding menu items just like the menu, as well as the numbers. Same goes for the transactions tab pane. And that will be all for the display. Next will be the borrow and return part of the admin main frame.
So, greetings po, sir. I'm the veteran Jake, and I will now po be explaining the borrow book po and return book. So, first po, we can share po the default table model po, which has po the title, author, genre, and ISBN, and ID po for the available books. Same po with the unavailable books. But the available books po has po the dummy books po. Pag niran po natin yung code, meron na pong available books na 4. So, let me demonstrate it first po. So, when we login po the admin, ayan po. Ayan po, we have po access po to the available books and also po with the students. And as for the next part naman po, which is the borrow books, and if the selected row po ay the TBL available, which is this po, ito po yung TBL available, and if a user po have selected po a row, it will get po the value. And kapag hindi naman po nag-select ng row yung user, it will show po a J option message that please select a book to borrow. And kapag naman po nakapag-select siya, we will get po the value for the title, author, genre, and ISBN ID from the available books. And we will transfer po into the another table, which is the unavailable table model, because we have borrowed na po the book. So, I'll just demonstrate it po. So, for example po, babaro ko po yung Dapato. So, kapag pinili ko po yung borrow, ay malilipat po siya dun sa unavailable books. And as for the return naman po, we will just do the same po, but vice versa naman po. Yung laman naman po na, yung get value naman po natin is yung laman po ng unavailable table books model. So, i-get po natin yung title, author, genre, ISBN, and ID po. Same po with the available books table model. But here naman po, vice versa. Yung nasa unavailable naman po, ililipat naman po natin pabalik po sa borrowed book, since we will return po the value or the book. So, ayan po, kapag sinelect ko po to at pinindot ko po yung return, babalik po siya dun sa available books with the same content po, like the Phantom, Jando, Adventure, and the ISBN that is entered, and also po the ID is also po the same. So, ayan po. And also po, kapag sa student naman po, I will show you naman po, so kapag sa student po na view, kapag yung student naman po ang nakalagin, the student po will only have access po for the search book and borrow book. So, as you can see po here, pag ako po ay nag-borrow po ng books from the student's view, so ayan po, ibabaro ko po yung number ID for which is the internal. So, kapag pinili ko po yung borrow, ay mapupunta rin po siya dito sa account po ng admin. So, ayan po, kapag chinek po natin yan. And na po kapag chinek po natin.
Takal greetings. I am Angelbert Malañao and I will be explaining the notebook frame. This first line of code po is for string variable for title, author, and ISBN. And spinner po for the number of copies. So ipapakita ko po lang sa inyo. Add po tayo. So ito po yung lalabas sa ato. Ito po yung spinner, title, author, and the ISBN. Next po is check if any of the title, author, and ISBN are empty. So kapag wala pong nalagay yung user, maglalabas po na J-option pane show message dialog na please complete all fields incomplete fields. So ito po yan, demo ko sa inyo. So yun po yung lalabas. After po na mag-reorder na po siya, check naman po is if any of the field is less than 4 characters sa title and sa auto. Kapag less than 4 characters is may lalabas na J-option pane show message dialog, please enter at least 4 characters for the title and auto. So, for example po, so yan po yung lalabas. After po na mag-reorder na po, next po natin is check if ISBN is expected format assuming ISBN is starting in digit and digit. So kapag po yung user is kulang po yung nilagay na ISBN digit, so pag hindi siya 13, ilalabas po na J-option show message dialog. ISBN must be 13 integer, valid ISBN. So ito po yun. So yun po yung nalabas. After po nun, ito tayo sa string builder, genre builder. So dito po sa radio, if radio total action is selected po, is ma-happen na po yung action dito sa genre builder. Para-paras na po yan hanggang sa drama. So sa radio button others po, so if sinelect ng user yung others is magiging editable na po yung export dito. So after po nun, dito po sa line of test na to is check lang po yung number of copies na na-add. So lalabas po yung ID para dun sa book na na-add. So ayan po yung lalabas na pag na-success na po yung mga na-add na po yung book. Dito po siya lalabas sa available books. So ito po yung ID number. So mag-start po siya sa 5 kasi po ay 4 na po na books na palagay doon. So after po nun is clear na po yung add book. And that's all.
Greetings, I am Ken Iligan and explain ko po yung add member. So yung add member po na ganito po siya nalaman. So pwede po tayong mag-right click para mabas yung pop-up menu. Then add member. Pagka add member po, lalabas po yung last name, first name, ID, and contact number.
So, lalagay po natin last name and first name. Contact number. And yung contact number po natin is kailangan 11 digit po kung gagamitin natin. Kasi kung hindi po natin gagamitin yun, maglalabas ng message dialog na contact number must be an 11 digit integer. Ganun po. Ganun po. Pagka-add po natin is mali pala. Ulitin po natin. Add po tayong member. Last month. And 11 digit na po po. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ka-add po is sa member list po, may lalabas po doon na table na nagko-contain po ng nilagay natin na last name, first name, and ID number po na 3. Kasi po, may nauna na pong students. And ito po yung contact number. And yun lang po. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Aaron Kentimongkada and I will demonstrate what is transaction in our books or bookslug model. So, first of all, bookslug model, we declare it a default table mode which may laman siyang title, author, genre, and ISBN and ID. So, I will show you how it works. Then first of all, let's log in as an And as you can see, there's available books na. May mga available books na pwede mong hiramin at pwede mong lagay. Pero hindi mo siya makikita sa transaction because it's an available book that only adding books to show. And I will show you what. Search first of all, let's add book. I will add my favorite novel, the beginning, after, the end, which author of Turtle Me, and genre of action. I have 2 copies. Let's say the IBS and this. And let's, as you can see, the 2 copies of the beginning after the end is now in available books with the ID of 5 and 6. And if we can see, the 2 copies of it is in transaction because the user added it. So if we borrow it, so you can see it is in the unavailable books now.
Greetings, I'm Melody Tanuji and I will explain this part of our program po, which is the search book method. And we have a viable search book and string with the search result. No? If yung search book po is empty or walang laman, may J option po na magpo-pop up na please enter a search term and then return. And then the next one naman po, if yung search book length is less than 3, may J option po na magpo-pop up which is na please enter at least 3 characters for the search term. No? So as you can see, we have a variable found and a for loop, which is na, and then we have a if condition na if yung title daw po is nag-contain ng search book or yung author contains ng search book, genre, and so on and so forth, which is may nahanap, and then yung search result po is mag-a-append or i-append niya yung book na nahanap niya. If wala naman pong nahanap na book sa sinerch, may malalagay na no such book exists. So as continuous po, which is search member method. So as you can see, we have a search member variable and search result. And then we have a condition po na if yung search member is empty, there will be a J option na magpo-pop up na ipapakita na please enter search term and then return. Secondly, we have a if condition again that if the search member length is less than 1, there will be a J option will pop up that please enter at least 2 characters for the search term and then return. And then as you can see, we have a variable with a boolean na naka-false, no? And then we have a for loop which is yung magbibilang ng row count. And then as you can see, we have a condition again, like if last name contains such member or ID contains such member and so on and so forth, if may nakita sila sa member na yon, which is ipapakita doon na merong nahanap na member. If wala namang nahanap, is magsusuyo yung no such member.